Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Binance US account with security checks, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Binance US account with security checks, begin by visiting the Binance US website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the profile icon located in the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon and select the security option from the drop-down menu. You will now see various security features available for your account. Start by enabling two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. Select the option to set up 2FA, which will guide you through the process. You can choose to use either an authentication app or SMS for receiving codes. If you opt for an authentication app, download an app such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Follow the instructions on screen to scan the provided QR code using your authentication app. Once scanned, enter the verification code generated by the app into the indicated field. If you prefer SMS, enter your mobile phone number and click on Send Code. You will receive a text message with a verification code. Enter this verification code to complete the SMS setup. Next, enable Withdrawal Whitelist if you want to add an extra layer of security. You can add specified wallet addresses to this whitelist. This will restrict withdrawals to only those addresses you've approved. Choose a password that is unique and contains a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Regularly update your password to maintain account security. Make it a habit to review your account activity periodically for any unauthorized transactions. Consider enabling email notifications for account activities to stay informed. Finally, log out of your account when not in use to further protect your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.